got you. And
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, is Rixet23. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, baking video na pineapple loaf cake. So, ito yung mga ingredients niya. All-purpose flour, butter, melted butter, unsalted, baking powder, baking soda, salt, pineapple juice, na 1/4 sa pineapple chunks, and sugar. You can use white sugar, and then 1/4 of pineapple chunks. So, see you shortly guys. Let's mix all the dry ingredients. Put the sugar here already. I forgot. And then you can mix with this one. pineapple loaf cake. So, gagawin natin later. Pineapple chunks na 1/2. 1/4 stick ng unsalted butter. 1/4 sugar, brown sugar, and 1/4 all-purpose flour. Ilagay natin ang ating butter. I-bake natin siya sa 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While you're doing this in the oven, you can do the process. 350 Fahrenheit should be equivalent to 180 degrees. I will put the ingredients on my description box or in my review para may idea. So, lagyan na natin yung toppings. Na-bake siya ng 30 minutes. Mainit pa siya kaya spread natin. Tapos i-bake natin siya ng pasensya na hindi siya yung edible. Bake siya ng 25 to 30 minutes or more when the cake looks golden, and you can try when you put your toothpick tester and it come out clean. So same temperature siya. So I'll show you guys the finished product. Finished. Ito na guys ang finished product na pineapple loaf cake. Medyo mainit-init pa siya. So, ito po ang aking simple video. I hope you like it. And thank you very much sa mga manonood ngayon. Thank you sa mga members. And thank you sa Team Friendship. And I hope see you soon to my next video. Thank you guys. And maganda itong kapartner with cup of coffee or cup of tea. Let's eat! Bye guys! See you soon! God bless! Let's eat guys!